Let me show you our factory today. Baking workshop to find out. Selected grinding, meticulous baking. Seemingly simple coffee requires many processes to complete. I was back in the instant shop. Blue Mountain Coffee. This is the finished product. Charcoal-fired flavor. Clean the machine to ensure product safety. After packing, it will be shipped to the warehouse. This is our product warehouse. The courier brother is carefully posting the order, ready to send. Bitter coffee, sweet life.